Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we've got a 2010 Audi A6 S-Line Lemans. So this has come from a customer we know. He's owned the car for 10 years. He's just part exchanged it in with us. So it's the 3-litre auto Quattro. He's owned it for about 8 years, as I say. Really good service history with it. Got a stamped service history book and a pile of receipts with it. We've just done quite a bit of work to it as well. We'll put all the details on the ad, but as you can see, we've done new back brakes, new rear springs, a couple of bushers and drop links and everything as well. So it's got 2 keys with it. I think for a 2010 car, it's very well presented. Got the privacy glass with it, full leather, heated seats, sat nav, Bluetooth, loads of room in these things. I won't show you under there, but it has got a full size alloy wheel as well with it as a spare. So it's HPI clear, as all our cars are. It'll be supplied with a warranty with the option to extend, and it's just been serviced as well. We've done a service on it as well as the other bits and bobs which we'll put on the ad. Just turned 114,000, and for the age and mileage I think it's in really good, well presented condition. No major wear anywhere on the interior. All looks good. Show you the back as well. So as with all our cars, we do a viewing by appointment basis, and this is just to stop people having a wasted trip or to come and settle for a car that's already been sold or we've got someone looking at. So all you need to do is give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.